Hello everyone, I'm here about to discuss about the basic concepts and loans. So, dito yung mga ka-group ko para mag-discuss.
Business loan. The money lent specifically for a business purpose. It may use to start a business or to have a business expansion. Example, you want to build a mini grocery or you want to expand your business like sari-sari store into grocery.
Go.
And now, if you want to expand your business in like sari-sari store into grocery, and now let's have Gabriel to explain the equation.
Go.
And
So, hello guys, nandito ako ngayon para explain about the loan of getting the equation. So, I have an example. Mr. Garcia borrowed 1 million for the expansion of his business. The effective rate of interest is 7%. The loan is be repaid in full of after 1 year. How much is to be paid after 1 year? So, first to is kunin mo yung given. So, sinabi nga dun sa problem. May binaro si Mr. Garcia ng isang 1 million para sa kanyang business. Then, 7% is for the rate of interest and 1 is for the 1 year compound yearly. So, formula is this one. F is equal to P, open 1 plus J, or rate of interest, then times 2 compound year. Then, substitute natin siya. So, ito yung P, ito yung J, and ito yung A. First thing is, i-add mo muna siya. I-add mo muna yung dalawang nasa loob nito. So, ito, a-add mo. Then, labas na is this one. Next step is, i-multiply mo yung 1 sa 1.07. So, labas na is ito. Then, yung ito, multiply mo sa 1 million. Then, the answer is, that's all. Thank you.
consumer loan. Money lent to an individual for personal or family purposes.
Amortization method. Method of paying a loan, principal and interest. On installment basis, usually of equal amounts as regular intervals. Example of amortization method. Interest expense is calculated as the effective interest rate times the bonds carrying value for each period. The amount of amortization is the difference between the cash paid for interest and the calculated amount of bond interest expenses. Mortgage, a loan several secured by a collateral that the borrower is obligated to pay at specific terms. Example, there are several types of mortgage loans and borrowers should assess what is best for their own situation before entering into one. Types of loans are characterized by their terms dates, usually from 5 to 10 years. Some institutions now offer loans up to 50-year terms. Interest rates, theirs may be fixed or variable, and the amount of payments per period. Chattel mortgage, a mortgage on a movable property. Example, if you need leverage for a loan, you don't have to put your house on the line. Other freestanding property can be used as a will. And that's where a chattel mortgage comes in. Cars, boats, trailers, electronics, and appliances are all examples of movable property. Chattel mortgage are among the most common methods of obtaining loans against movable personal property. Outstanding balance. Any remaining debt at an specific time. Example, debt that yet be repaid in full. For example, if one borrows $10,000 and has paid back $2,000, the outstanding debt is $8,000 in general interest is calculated over the outstanding debt rather than the original amount borrowed. Outstanding debt example. Debt that has not yet been repaid in full. For example, if one borrows $10,000 and has paid back $2,000. The outstanding debt is $8,000 in general interest is calculated over the outstanding debt rather than the original amount borrowed.